Hello everyone, welcome to the channel. Another one of my users reviews on a product that I've had for a little while. So this is my GoPro. Upgraded it, had it about, I suppose about a year now. Really good, really liked it. The reason why I upgraded from my last GoPro, I had a GoPro 3, is just to have the screen on the back. So really good. Excellent. There's probably loads of other reviews out there. So this is the 6. I know there's the 7 out now. One thing that I was a little bit concerned about, and okay, it's great that it's smaller by not having the big outside case, but this is what my fear was, and it's actually happening now. So if you look a bit closer here, so I've used this for my water sports in the sea, and I do wash it off in fresh water afterwards as well. But you can see here, I put it in the cupboard about 3 or 4 months ago and haven't had it out for a while, and you can see like there's bits of salt there and corrosion that's coming up, and look, so, and okay, there's the seal, which is fine, so that's kind of keeping the insides all still good and okay, but it's a little bit worrying that you're getting rust that's happening on the outside of the case. So it's just something to be mindful of, really. You can see the salt in here, you can see the corrosion that's in there. I almost wonder whether, I don't know, whether you can use like a very fine artist brush or something and like just use a bit of oil or something in here to kind of help coat it after use in the sea. Probably going to take a little even more time than I currently do to make sure I kind of wash it off. As I say, after I come out of salt water, I always sort of give it a good dousing in fresh water. But the fact that you don't have a case now that this goes in, this is, you know, essentially the body now is its own case. There's no way of replacing this as far as I'm aware, unless anybody can put it in the comments below. Can you replace this case? Does it all come off? Can you unscrew this off and replace the case if it gets that bad? But that's not heavy use as well. I mean, I've used this probably, I don't know, maybe about 5-6 times in the sea, and used it outside the sea as well, but that's predominantly what I use my GoPro for. It's when I'm out surfing or out in the kite or something. So really good camera, excellent, but it's a little bit worrying that we're getting that rust that's already starting to appear, and it's not even, well, it's just over a year old. So yeah, just be mindful, guys, if you're using one of these, just to try and take a little bit of extra care if you do go for a dunk in the old salt water. So there we go, there's my tip anyway. I'm not going to do any other review on it because there's loads of others out there about the GoPro 6. It is still a really awesome camera. Yeah, it's just an advice tip if you're going out in the sea. Okay, thanks for watching anyway, and hopefully you'll get to see some more of my reviews if you subscribe, all the rest of it. Okay, cheers, see you later, bye.